Salami, meatloaf, haggis, sausage. Salami, meatloaf, haggis, sausage. Salami, meatloaf, haggis, sausage. Salami, meatloaf, haggis, sausage. Salami, meatloaf.
Just love a big hamburger first thing in the morning.
Well, today I'm having a tomahawk steak for breakfast.
I just have 2 croissants. That's enough for me.
Are Yunhai and Marine really going to be fine on their own? Amy will trick them.
But they're only supposed to meet Colonel Davy, aren't they?
You can't trust Amy. The wicked ghosts of the Midrun Kingdom are the real threat.
My sister Jirwa is also with the spy group Iron Bar String Phone, so it's natural not to trust them. She's stunningly beautiful, but she always has a vein popping on her forehead.
I'm fighting for Relis, that's all.
Relis? Oh, you mean Princess L, right, Cullen?
Even in an adventurer's tavern, don't say a princess's name out loud. It's dangerous.
But she's just coming here on the government jet for the Machinery Kingdom, isn't she?
My gut's screaming that something's wrong. There's something seriously off about this Machinery Kingdom. Come on, Amy. Why are we working in a country where the food smells like grease? I bet there are bolts and screws mixed in with the meals.
You really don't get it, do you? The Machinery Kingdom is on the brink of the worst catastrophe. It's dangerous, extremely dangerous. This whole place could explode if you poke it.
Amy, I bet you're thinking about some pointless bureaucratic stuff again.
And if the Midrun Kingdom gets dragged in, my civil service pension will vanish.
If this blows up, your family will still get the pension.
You never stop talking back, Sky the Wideheart. That's why you make enemies everywhere.
Annie, Sky doesn't make enemies. He just makes women. That's all. You womanizer.
Colin, it's not what you think. Please don't be upset. What's up, Yunhai? It's just some women dancing on TV, right?
Fourth sister.
Oh, Yunhai, you like that short-haired Asian woman? You know, I'm the most beautiful woman in the world, right? But doesn't she look a bit like me?
Topazia, she's my sister. I have 5 older sisters and 4 younger sisters.
If only my father had enough sense to produce at least one proper heir. Now I have to inherit the whole estate, and it's such a burden, you know?
I am looking for my grandfather and my younger brother. Yunhai, if you're watching this, you had better be prepared. Your family is waiting at home, and we are all quite cross with you.
Wait, what? That Asian woman from the Elegancers is your sister?
No doubt about it. That's Sister Lenzian.
Hey, Yunhai, what kind of food does your sister like?
Huh? Where's Colonel Davy? He disappeared.
That's what I'm telling you, Marine Salt. He's some kind of mysterious demoted colonel. A hopeless officer who will never get promoted past colonel.
But being a colonel is already super important, isn't it? Amy, do you think Colonel Davy isn't great?
W is different, though. He's climbing the ladder with pure flattery. I wish I could follow his example.
Ha 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 ha. Even a man with no prospects has his pride. I'll stay a colonel until I retire, Amy.
Where did you go?
I bought a mug of root beer at the counter. Shall I bring one for you too, Marine?
Colonel Davy, that lack of ambition is exactly what I dislike about you. Why don't you aim for W, the director of the Wicked Ghosts?
Amy, let me brief you. The news outlets have finally cleared the information, so I can explain it now.
And why wasn't I informed sooner? I'm Princess L's aide, you know. It makes no sense that I'm the last to hear about this.
Princess Ela is coming to the Machinery Kingdom as Midrun's plenipotentiary envoy to negotiate a security partnership.
You're kidding! I can't stand this! A country full of cyborgs like this ought to be destroyed from top to bottom!
Colin, are you still doing all this for Princess Illa? You've seen how terrible this machinery kingdom is.
Of course I am, Yunhai. When Les is my friend, she would never let Midrun form a security partnership with a country like this.
My country isn't exactly perfect either. But this place is bad in a completely different way, Colin.
Rayles isn't wrong. I'll ask her myself later.
I wanted to see you. You were never there. Why did you become a rogue ninja? Jin?
I abandoned the mission to assassinate the young heir of the tycoon family. Such a dishonorable task had to be rejected, and so I became a rogue ninja.
Ha 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 ha! Jin, even you, so stiff and proper, are still a man after all. At last, your mask of virtue has slipped.
Who is this? He sounds very silly.
Sir Magyaran, this is Suzume, my fiancé.
Well now, Jin, you've been full of surprises. So you really did have one special woman in your heart? That's just like you, Ashoka. Don't you think she's quite a beauty?
Roa's right. I always thought Jin was far too serious, but he's more reliable than I imagined. You two, please be happy together.
I am most embarrassed.
I am Taran, Prince of Tabian, and you must be Jin's beloved, I presume.
Oh, wait, a prince? That is bad. I am just a normal girl. I do not know any manners.
Fear not, Suzume. His Highness Taran is a noble and trustworthy man. I am among people I can rely upon.
Jin, she is a wonderful fiancée. You must marry her properly and make her happy.
Your Highness, I am a rogue ninja. I would bring trouble upon Suzume.
It will be all right, Jin. I shall protect you. When I saved you, I made a promise to the ninja who were pursuing you. I told them I would speak with the ninja master myself and secure your safety.
Your Highness, that girl is a ninja. A report will be sent to the Yamato territory. Furthermore, the brown-haired girl traveling with her is likely a member of Flacta's intelligence service. Either the Imperial Army's intelligence division or the Senate's intelligence bureau will be alerted. Your Highness, how shall we proceed with this matter?
It is of no concern, Safia. In fact, I would prefer that they contact the Fractor-elect Empire. Tell them that we shall soon visit the Empire for diplomatic purposes.
Too sharp.
Your Highness, may I remind you that the Fractor-elect Empire had been in conflict with us during the chaotic land conflict for decades. Do you truly believe they will receive you?
Your Highness, that is the correct course. Having them convey our intentions to the Empire is, under the circumstances, the most advantageous strategy.
I am too silly for this. I can't understand anything, and a prince is right in front of me. My writing is a mess, and my handwriting is terrible.
I shall compose the letter at once. Please wait a moment.
Jin, you're so smart. Please write it for me. Address it to Jonin Shigur Semikawa.
As you wish. Addressed to Master Semikawa of the Ninja High School. She is now a Jonin.
Why's Jean looking all sad when she's gonna see her sister? I'd be super happy if I got to see my fiancé.
When I heard Rui cured my sister's Keener Shifty syndrome, I thought it had to be a lie. It's something that shouldn't be curable.
Rui's always just eaten stuff. She only has that cheat power, the reverse clock, even though she's totally not ninja material.
I don't even know how to thank her. I've never had a human be kind to me before. I can't tell what Rui is thinking.
I feel safe, 'cause Jin's with a good prince. I was worried the whole time.
What do you think about how people like me are made?
You're too smart. I got no idea what you're talking about.
Cut through the wind. Let your wings run free. Engines roar as they rise in power. Hey, Zwei! I'm here to pick you up. Hop in with the Ninja Ridge folks. Sis, we finally meet. I've got a lot I want to tell you. A lot. But how did you even find our coordinates? Because I'm Special Forces, obviously.